I've been exploring the Verizon Cloud mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Verizon Cloud is a backup and storage app from Verizon, aimed at people who want an easy way to save photos, videos, contacts, and documents across their Verizon-connected devices. It is especially geared toward customers who switch phones often or like having everything synced in one place. The app's main strength is its automatic backup of photos, videos, contacts, messages, and call logs, so you can move to a new phone without worrying about losing memories. It offers large plans, including unlimited options, and lets you share storage with up to 5 people, which can be handy for families. Simple extras like flashback memories, photo printing, and private, PIN-protected folders add some everyday convenience. Overall ratings are strong, with a 4.6 out of 5 score and most users giving 5 stars, suggesting many people find it reliable and easy to live with. However, it is not without flaws. Some reviewers report long or failed backups, app crashes, and difficulty getting older or large libraries to upload properly. Others mention frustration about losing content after leaving Verizon, feeling the rules around how long items stay stored were not clear enough. Pricing can also add up over time, and you need an eligible Verizon account and compatible device, so it is not a universal cloud option like Google Drive or OneDrive. Overall, Verizon Cloud is a solid choice if you value a straightforward backup solution tied closely to your Verizon service and like the idea of unlimited storage for your phone content. If you prefer a service that works across carriers, want more transparent long-term access to your files, or already rely on other cloud platforms, you may want to compare costs and limitations before committing. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.